Warning, the following footage was recorded in an ancient 15-passenger van that drives like a tank. Video is noisy and shaky and loudish. Continue watching at your own risk. You've been warned. Hey guys, welcome to Jake Makes. Today we're going to be testing the flail that I built in last week's episode. Pardon the audio, it's probably really loud in here. So I got a watermelon. I did actually get a watermelon. I know that's crazy because they cost like $6 and I don't want to spend money on that, but I did get a watermelon. And I also have some milk jugs I'm gonna blow up, and I have an old TV, and I actually have an old microwave I might destroy. I haven't decided yet. I'm headed down to the DG to get a couple of things of soda, and I'm trying to think of if there's anything else I can destroy. Maybe I can find something else while I'm there, I don't know. Regardless, this is gonna be a pretty fun video. Oh, great.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northern Richland Parish in northeastern Louisiana, West Carroll Parish in northeastern Louisiana until 11:30 until daylight.
Got some Crush and the Blue Mountain Dew, which is slightly strange. Hey, it was cheap, and that's all I really care about. It'll do the same explosion no matter what it is, so what the heck, you know? Counting every blessing, letting go and trusting when I cannot see. Now I gotta get into the attic. Holy mother of tamales, it's hot up here. Now this thing is already broken, but I'm gonna break it more. Alright, let's go! Man, that is nasty. Look at that. Whew. That would really feel very nice coming in contact with your head, I must say. Yikes. This is going to be a rather interesting video because I am 86.3% certain that it is about to start pouring rain on me right now as I'm filming this. So we might get a bit wet out here. Alright, what should we destroy next? We've got, I found a cinder block, so we can go ahead and blow that up. You know what? Let's try a soda. That'll be fun. Oh, I've always wanted to do this. Come on! You're kidding me. Whoa! Oh, lucky me, there's still plenty left to drink. Let's try knocking over some soda cans filled with water. Knocking over, who am I kidding? Let's crush them. Whoa. I call a redo. Time out. I know I'm acting like a wimp swinging this thing around the way I am, but if this thing was to hit any part of me, I would be very seriously injured. So I'm being extra cautious, and it'll probably come across real funny on camera. Ooh, yikes. Yowzers, that cut it like clean in half almost. Jeez. There you can see. Ooh, man. There's a couple spikes in there. Yikes, that's frightening. This thing is so dangerous, it's not even funny. Hopefully I can get through with this without impaling myself somewhere. I will. I'm not being stupid with it. I mean, technically I'm swinging it around, so in a lot of people's minds that would be classified as stupid, but I'm swinging it around in an unstupid manner. See, I'm not being safe by swinging it around, but I'm swinging it around in a safe manner. So safety is still #1 priority. Oh. Oh yeah! Ooh, yikes, look at that. All of the spikes penetrated through the bottom of that. Yowzers. Ow! Gee, is there anything on this that's not pointy? I can't even take it off without getting spined. Oh, fine, we'll go for the TV now. Like I said, it is already broken, but let's just see what happens. See if I can pick this up without cutting myself. On this episode of What's Inside. But seriously though, this is pretty cool. Well, that was fun. You know what the great thing about growing up is? You get to build stuff like this and then go buy stuff to test it and then eat the stuff you bought. Drink the stuff you bought. Because it's yours. You bought it, you know? You can do whatever you want with it. And then you can smash it. No way! It literally blew the top right off, and I can't even find the other piece to the top. Look at that! Now for the part you've all been waiting for, where I waste $6 by smashing a watermelon. For the views! Oh! That was not very impressive. Dang it. It's really good though. Alright, let's try that again. That was more like it. It's like eating money. Alright, now we've got one more thing I want to smash before we call this video over. That wasn't a good way to say that. We've got one more thing I want to smash before I'm going to end this video. That thing is a cinder block. Who wants to smash a cinder block? Raise your hand. It's so easy to make decisions when you're by yourself. Oh, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yeah! Okay, I'll call that good. I'm destroying my flail. It's bending the spike on my flail. This does need completely smashed, however. Let me go get something. Hold on. This is a cold steel polypropylene training sword, which is missing the handguard. I don't know where that went. Super, super tough. I have these things forever. They're awesome. I highly recommend them. And I think I saw a video of them destroying a cinder block with one, and I've always wanted to try it. So here goes. Oh, that ain't gonna happen. Nope, not happening. Try a turn. Maybe it'll. Whoa! Ow! Whoa! Yeah! Wow! Awesome. Oh man, that was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new here, feel free to hit subscribe so you can see all my other videos. Please, if you want to see how I built this awesome scrapyard flail, go check out that video right here. Like this video if you like it, share it with your friends, that would be really nice. And I will see you next week on the next episode of Jake Makes, where I'm going to be showing you how to build a real firecracker gun, a gun powered by firecrackers, which I did a Just Brilliant about, which you should go watch as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time, next week. Jake out.